The ground in the Walnut Creek area does not uniformly move upward, but rather cycles with expansive clay soils that swell and shrink with changes in moisture. For a concrete pool, this, along with seismic risk, necessitates a geotechnical report as required by the city. Special engineering is needed, including heavily reinforced concrete and a strong foundation to withstand the soil movement. We meticulously install the PVC piping every time, because any mistakes made during the plumbing process can cause chronic problems like leaks, poor circulation, and equipment damage, leading to higher utility bills and expensive future repairs. This ensures perfect water circulation, flawless filtration, and the brilliant, customizable lighting that will define your evenings. No luxury pool is complete without the perfect surround. Our team installs your custom decking, creating the perfect space for entertaining, lounging, or simply enjoying your backyard retreat. Now for a truly pivotal moment, the application of high-pressure gunite or shotcrete, a process that creates an incredibly strong monolithic shell. Our applicators are masters of their craft, shaping every curve, bench, and sun shelf with absolute precision. This is the foundation that will hold the test of time, and we will take immense pride in every detail. As it cures, we treat it with care, ensuring maximum strength and preventing future cracks. Over the next several days, we perform a crucial curing process, keeping the shell hydrated to achieve optimal strength. After the gunite has cured, the pool is drained and the surface is prepared to ensure the new finish adheres properly. A Stonescapes plaster mixture, which is a blend of specialized cement, aggregates, and decorative elements like pebbles or glass beads. The mixture is then pumped through a high-pressure hose and sprayed evenly onto the gunite shell by a crew. Installers use trowels to flatten the material and smooth the surface, paying careful attention to details on steps and benches. As the plaster begins to set, the tiny stones or aggregates are exposed by spraying the surface with water, which washes away a fine top layer of cement. This process, called washing, is performed in stages and followed by repeated troweling to further compact the material and create the final textured, non-slip finish. A final acid wash is sometimes performed the next day to clean any residual dust and ensure a uniform, vibrant look. The moment you've been waiting for. We begin the delicate process of filling your pool and performing the final startup. We carefully balance the water chemistry and ensure all systems are operating perfectly. We then provide you with a comprehensive pool school to ensure you feel confident and ready to enjoy your new oasis for years to come. To add an extra special touch to the backyard's design, the owner decided to go with travertine pavers from Italy. The equipment is complete with a Jandy pump and filter, plus we added a CMP Dell AOP UV plus ozone sanitizer for extra protection against waterborne contaminants that could get people sick. Our team ensures the final product is both stunning and highly functional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe.